Hey guys, so if you're sitting for the 2026 Jamb and you are writing biology, please pay attention. These are the focus points. These are the places you should pitch your tent and read more. So we'll start from the basic biology. There's some things that you cannot just escape. There's some things that must always come out. All right. So instead of working hard, it's good to work hard, but add smartness to your work. Let's start with the first topic. So the first thing you need to know about biology is the cell. Very important. The cell. So you are going to read cell and its environment. So everything about the cell, just read everything about the cell, how the cell interacts with their environment, the cell functions, and the rest. Secondly, you're going to focus more on classification. Classification, where organisms are found. Which particular phylum has a particular organism, which particular phylum has a particular organism. So you're going to read the classification, right? Classes, um, phylum, kingdoms, and the rest. So classification, classification. Then after this, the next thing you should go into reading is systems. So when I say system, I'm talking about the whole systems: digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system, and all the systems in the body. Okay. So after reading your systems, you go over to topics like ecological management. Ecological management. Ecological management. Now, this gives you a scope of things like association, tolerance, adaptation, pollution, and so on. This often come out in Jamb. And the next thing you should read after ecological management is um, pollination. Pollination, how plants reproduce. So just read pollination or just read reproduction in plants. Pollination, formation of new seeds. You remember. So after this, you're not going to go into the major parts of biology, which you will often find. So parts like maintenance of internal environments, you should read that. Homeostasis. Then you read coordination. Coordination. Coordination has to do with two particular systems. We have the endocrine system. So you're going to study endocrinology and the nervous. So coordination covers this topic: nervous endocrine system and the nervous system. That's coordination. Then the next thing you should read is genetics and variation. Genetics and variation. This definitely you will see at least one question on genetics and variation. Then you can just lay your hands on topics like evolution. Evolution. So the Darwin's theory and the rest. So these are the basic parts you should focus on if you are writing JAM 2026. In my next video, I'll be talking about the probable questions that you are likely to see in your examination. And I'm also going to try to do something on the speed video so that you can also test your speed. You can also test your speed limit or speed range when writing these exams. So thank you and see you in my next video.